Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at fraction. Firstly, what's fraction? One of the best ways to learn mathematics is through examples. In a fraction, we have 2 over 4, 6 over 7, 3 over 9, 1 number 2 over 3. Now if you can give or you see any form of this number, it is referred to as fraction. Now, let's get a mental picture of what fraction is. We have example of fraction. 1 here is a good example of fraction. We have 1 over 2. As you can see, this is half and this is another half. This half and this another half. And here now you can see that this circle is divided into 2. That is why it is 1 over 3, meaning 1 out of 3 parts, as you can see. Take another example. We have 1 over 6, and this 1 over 6 is the shaded region here, meaning that 1 out of a 6 portion. Here we have 1 over 4. This circle has been divided into 4 parts, but here is the first part. That's why it is 1 out of 4. 1 over 4. You need to understand the concept behind it. And here we have 1 over 12. And now to say 1 over 12, it means 1 out of 12 parts. As you can see here, the circle has been divided into 12 parts. So, another example to make sure we understand what fraction is. 1 is just a single number. Once it's divided into 2, we have 1 over 2 here. Once it's divided into 3, 1 out of 3, that is this shaded portion here, is 1 out of how many parts? 3. As you can see, we have 2 shaded regions, so that's 2 over 3, meaning 2 out of 3 parts. Here, nothing is shaded. Here we have 1 over 4. Here we have 1 over 2. And this portion here we have 3 over 4, meaning 3 parts out of 4. And this is a good example of 1 over 10. How do we know? Just a region is shaded. The region is shaded out of how many parts? 10 parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving to types of fraction. There are basically 2 types of fraction which you must know. The first one is proper fraction, followed by improper, and followed by mixed fraction. Example of proper fraction: when you have a small number at the top and a big number at the bottom. What do I mean? Proper fraction. Remember, when you have small number at the top, then big number at the bottom. That is example 3 over 7. And another thing you must know is this lower number is called denominator. By the upper parts numerator. So another example of proper fraction is 6 over 12, 18 over 20. So it keeps going on and on. When you have a small number at the numerator and a lower number at the denominator. Now, the reverse is improper fraction. When you have a big number at the top and a small number at the bottom, example 20 over 8, this is improper. Another example 7 over 2. Another example, we have 11 over 5. This is improper fraction. Now, mixed fraction is the simplest. Any fraction that involves a whole number, for example, 1 whole number, 2 over 2. Another example, 4 whole number, 6 over 4. So any number that involves a whole number, basically 3 whole number, 1 over 2. This is a good example of mixed fraction. So that will be all for today.